How to create Aliexpress affiliate account. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own Aliexpress affiliate account and start marketing your affiliate links. Then you will get some commission. It is very easy to do. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the start till the end and you will be good to go. Right here all you have to do is to go to aliexpress.com. Then you will be guided to this platform. Right here I am going to scroll all the way down right here on the collaborate with us section. We have here the partnerships. Under that partnerships we have the affiliate program. All you have to do is you click on affiliate program and you will be guided to the affiliate portals, which will be your portal to sign up with AliExpress. Right here we have the portal, promote, earn and grow with the AliExpress affiliate program. It is very easy to do. All you have to do is to click on a register right here. Now we have here the registering platform. All you have to do is to go ahead and put your email, or you can go with these platforms such as Facebook, Google, Twitter and more, also Apple. Right now I am going to continue with my Google account because it is very easy. A little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video such as email addresses, phone numbers and also addresses are created for the sake of the video. They are not created for any personal uses, so you have to go ahead and put your real information to make everything work. Right here I'm going to put the password that I have. I will create a password, then we will be good to go. I will link the account right here. It has been linked. You can go ahead and verify your phone number and get the SMS, or you can go ahead to verify with other way. I'm going to verify it with my phone number and I will be right back. Now after I have confirmed my phone number and got the code, I have this platform right here, which is AliExpress portals. Create your AliExpress affiliate account. Here we have the basic information, then we will proceed to the site information. Right here, you are using an AliExpress buyer account to join the AliExpress affiliate program. If you want to see or use another account, click logout on the upper right corner of the page, which is right here, and you will be disconnected or logged out. Right here, I'm going to put the basic information that we have right now, and I will proceed to the next step. The payee name, I will put simply my name that I am using, like this, and it is up to you to put your name. The contact email, here we have the verification code. You have to get a verification code and you have to put it right here. It is very simple. The process will not take too long. Here I have received my code. I am going to put it right now, and for the phone number I am going to let the phone number empty since it is not a required space. I can add it later on, or I can put it right now. It doesn't matter. All that matter is this code of the verification on the email address. Right here we have the social media account information. You have to select a social media platform that you are going to use for the promotion of the links. Right here we have Skype, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Telegram, DingTalk, WeChat, Line, and others. For my case, I am going to use Facebook. Right here, it will be demanding the social media account ID. To get this social media account ID, you have to connect to your platform. For example, Messenger, you can put a Messenger, or for Facebook, all you have to do is to go to your Facebook page or your Facebook profile and get the ID. For my case, I have this ID. Like this, I will go and copy this ID and go back to this section and paste it right here. It is very simple. You can add multiple social media accounts by just clicking on add social media account and you will be good to go. Or if you want to not put your Facebook or any of your social media platform, it is up to you. I don't think that is very necessary, but it is optional. Now, how did you hear about us? Right here you have to simply choose one of these choices. It doesn't matter how is the choice is put. All the thing is to put the check mark. Do you want to subscribe to AliExpress Portal's newsletter? For my case, I will no, maybe later, thank you. And I will click and check. I confirm that I have read the AliExpress privacy policy. Then I will click on next. This is the first step that I'm going to do. Now we are on the site information, which is the second step to put up the account. We have the site 1 promotional attribute. Right here we have the network. You can choose either a network that you are going to promote the products, or non-network. For my case, it is obviously network. I can put a channel type, for example, affiliate / ad network, influencer network, or others. For the non-network, you can see right here the social media, media buy-in, content dropshipping, third-party tools, shopping platforms, emails, O2O, search engine. Let's go with the non-network. Let's go with social media. And right here, you have to choose one of these options. We have right here 4 options. We have the group chats, we have the influencer, the forums, communities, and BBS, or the others. Right here, I'm going to put, for example, the group chat. Right here, I am going to use Facebook, and it will be good to go. Right now, we have the site name. You have to put the site name that you have. This particular portal or this sign up necessary needs a website. It doesn't matter for the website type, but it has to be a website. You can also put your link of the profile on Instagram, or your profile on Facebook. It is up to you. Right here, I am going to put the name right here, Jack Smith. For example, like this. This is the name, the site URL. It is up to you to use the URL that you have, but I am going to put, for example, my Shopify URL. Let's go ahead and put like this, Jack Smith. This is my Shopify link. I will go ahead and put it right here, and you are good to go. The category, all you have to do is you choose a category. We have here a lot of categories to choose from. I am going to use the one that I am going to work on. For example, let's go with the men clothings. For example, watches, shoes, and I will go with this, for example, home and garden, and we are good to go. The traffic source area, here we have to click on global, because we are, for example, I'm going to put these links on multiple groups from multiple nationality. I will put it as global. The description is up to you to add. I confirm this is my primary promotional channel, and you are good to go. All you have to do after you have finished filling these steps and these information, you click on submit. Right here we have submitted all the information. My registration is under the review. They have a delay of 1 to 3 days, or 1 to 3 business days to respond to your request. It will be okay to get the account. I think it is very easy, and they will accept it if you have the right criteria, of course. And you can also proceed and sell the products and promote them. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the content, and see you on the next video.